My family members can't stop talking about this simple recipe. In fact, they want it on daily basis. Can you imagine that? Hello, creative bangers. Let me show you this simple one. All right. Now, you want to start by cracking 2 eggs in a bowl. To that, I'm going to move in with salt and butter. You can also use margarine if that's what you have. Now, it might seem a bit difficult to mix together, but try your best to mix. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. All right, once you are done mixing, it's time to move in with cornstarch. I said cornstarch, not flour, please. Now start adding the cornstarch bit by bit as you mix. The reason why you should do this so that it will not form lumps, okay? Shout out to you, Maria, watching from UK, Tomisin from Ogun State, Victoria, watching from Zambia, and Precious, all the way from Nigeria. Whoops. Oh, I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from, so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well, okay? All right, after mixing, this is what the texture looks like. Don't forget to check the description box for the list of the ingredients and the measurement. I will also drop the list at the comment section. Okay, now we are going to transfer into a piping bag. Ladies, see, what if I don't have a piping bag? Can't I make this recipe? I have not really used another method, okay? All right, now, once you transfer into the piping bag, you are going to cut with a kitchen scissors. Now, the position that you cut from the piping bag will determine the size of the dough when piping into the hot oil. Pipe direct into a deep, hot, moderate oil. Pipe and cut. Pipe and cut. If you are with me at this moment, type pipe and cut at the comment section. After piping and cutting, it doesn't take time to cook. This gets ready within a minute or two. Flip it around from time to time. Fry according to your preference. Once it is golden brown like so, take it off the heat. We are done, creative bangers. Very simple and easy. Do you love this banger? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. Whoops! Only 4 ingredients, but it tastes amazing. If you want to add sugar, feel free to do so, but trust me, you don't need it. Give it a try, just the way I did it. I promise you, you are going to try it over and over again. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.